Hi friends, welcome to Dhatchu's kitchen. Very happy to see you all after a long gap. Today I am going to make a very healthy and tasty ragi dosa. Let us see the ingredients first. Here we are having 2 cups of ragi millet, 1 cup of idli rice, half a cup of black gram dal, 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds. First we need to soak all the ingredients, so that I am going to add 2 cups of ragi millet, 1 cup of idli rice, half a cup of black gram dal and 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds. Wash 3 to 4 times thoroughly. And soak it with water for 8 hours. Now 8 hours over, it soaked very well, so that we can wet grind it. In between, we can add water gradually. It will be ready within half an hour. Now half an hour over, we can see we are getting a very smooth batter. This is the right consistency. We are going to make dosa, so that the batter should be very soft. Now we can transfer the batter into a bowl. Leave this to fermentation for 6 hours. Now 6 hours over, the batter fermented very well. During the summer time, it will be fermented very quickly. But if you are in a coolest place, you have to ferment the batter for at least 8 hours. Now I am going to add some salt for our taste and add a little bit of water to dilute the salt. Mix it well and add enough water to dilute the batter. The batter should not be very thick or very thin. This is the right consistency. Next we need to prepare the dosa tawa by spreading the oil throughout the tawa. Before going to make the dosa, I am going to add some finely chopped curry leaves. Mix it thoroughly. Now our batter is ready and the tawa also hot, so that we can make the dosa. Spread smoothly. Add a few drops of oil throughout the dosa. Let it be cooked for 1 minute. Now one side cooked very well, so that I am going to flip the dosa into another side. Within a few seconds, our healthy and tasty ragi dosa is ready. That's all. Take it out. The same way you can make as many dosa as you want. It's a fiber rich food so that it's good for your digestion. Ragi is rich in high protein and calcium and it helps for weight loss. It's good for diabetics and it will increase the production of mother's milk. Definitely kids also like this dosa very much. So if you are having time, you can try this recipe at your home and enjoy with your family. Now a beautiful ragi dosa is ready. Let us present our dish. The best combination for ragi dosa is onion chutney. In my next video, I will show you how to make onion chutney. It's an excellent breakfast recipe. Let me taste our dish. We are getting a very thin dosa. Excellent taste. Really, it's awesome. Please try this recipe and also subscribe my channel Dhatchu's Kitchen. I will meet you in my next video with an interesting recipe. Until then, thank you. Bye bye.